So I go outside of lunch to sit in the table I always sit, and she's there waiting for me. But once I approach her, she leaves. So then now there's like a whole group surrounded in my table because they knew there was gonna be a fire or something. So then Tiffany comes again, and there's like a whole circle between like a whole circle in our table, and we're inside the circle. And she starts apologizing. I was like, bro, what? She starts apologizing, and everybody was like, bro, this bitch. Okay, after lunch, she's in front of me, and she starts saying shit to me. So now I'm like, oh, so you want to be like that? So we're in the hallway, right? And I